It is. So
Fine, whatever. You believe whatever you want to believe. You're wrong, but believe whatever you want to believe.
think about this, alright? You can't just see someone hang out the first time and be like, that's one of the
But
You gotta get to know them.
But the thing is, you don't say it the first time you meet them. You just
really
you know.
like them,
but when you are with them for such a period, you know.
Big
You know
misunderstood
from the
feeling.
beginning. But like
Big misunderstood
you
feeling.
know from the beginning. Because I've never
Very
been in love.
easy.
I've never loved.
They act different than what they do on the date. Like,
Yeah.
Well, that's just a guy for you, but you're still gonna be
Just a guy? It's
Yes.
both ways.
yeah, girls
No,
don't.
no, no,
No,
no,
girls don't fake. Guys
Don't give me
fake.
that crap. Don't give me that crap.
I don't fake on dates.
I think.
I'm very honest.
You know, I wouldn't do it. Yeah.
Oh,
Do you
please,
fake on
and you
dates?
do.
Like, you don't act like the same person you do, like, hanging out with your guy friends.
Oh, a little bit, yeah. My guy
Like,
friends?
Yeah. Like, okay, so like, if you were on a date, you would act different on a date than you would with like guy friends.
Well, yeah, I wouldn't hold the door open for my buddy. He can get it himself. I'm not gonna open his car door. You know? Yeah, that's totally different.
Are you recording this conversation?
No, she's not. Are you?
I mean, I think you would always lust before you love.
No.
You always
You love
attracted to
and
someone.
then love.
Because
Yeah.
that's the reason you talk to them, so you're attracted to them 99% of the time. Unless you
Or
meet
you
them.
feel a deep connection to them, and
You
you're
can't feel a connection if you don't know the person.
yeah.
You can't. It's just, you think you do, but you think you do.